Hey there guys, I hope you're all fine. So in this tutorial, today we are going to learn how to make habit tracker in Notion. So without further ado, let's get started. So click on the Notion app, and as you can see, you need to click on the plus icon, and you will find it in the bottom right corner, as you can see here. So just simply click on it and you will see an interface like this. You can add it to your private page or any other page you want, and now you need to click here. Alright, you will click back, and I will again click on add icon, and you will see an option called choose a template. You just need to click on it, and now what you need to do is you need to scroll down until you find an option in life which is called habit tracker. So simply click on it, and there you go. You have successfully added a habit tracker. Now it is a template, so you can also edit it according to your own need. You can change everything from here. I will show you how you can edit it. You can also change this icon if you want. You can change the title. You can write anything here. I will just keep it as it is. You can add a new month if you want. It has all the 31 days. Okay, so I'm going to show you how you can edit it. Click on edit property, and now you can specifically edit according to your need. You can choose a type if you want. You can choose checkbox. Usually people use checkbox, so simply click on use. Click on save edits. Alright, now click on OK. So there you go. That's how you can use a habit tracker in Notion app. So that's it for today guys. Hope you found the video beneficial. Feel free to ask any questions in the comment section. See you soon. Have a good day.